Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you 3 abstract doodles that you can do when you're bored or when you just want to fill up your sketchbook. So the first one is a really simple one. You're just going to take any type of color of your choice and make any sorts of shapes that you want and just draw more shapes, and some of them can be behind other shapes and some of them can be in front of them, whatever you want. Then you can take a black pen or a fine liner and outline all of those shapes, and I like it when you overlap all the outlines, which I think that gives it the most abstract look. And this process was very relaxing, so I would recommend it if you just want to draw something but not make it perfect. So moving on to the second one. So for this one, it's actually a really simple one, but also super duper fun. So just take a black pen or a fine liner and make random squiggles on your page. They don't have to be in any specific order, but just fill your whole page with squiggles. Once you've filled your whole page with squiggles, go ahead and take any color you want and fill in all those shapes that you've made with those squiggles. And I think this came out pretty cool because there were so many shapes that you can do and so many colors that you could use, and I feel like it was very satisfying. I really love this one, it's probably my favorite, but moving on to the last one. So for this one, you're just going to write out any type of word that you want in block letters, and I just wrote the first thing that came to my head, which was hello. So once you've wrote all that out, erase all those excess lines and start filling in the inside of the word with any patterns that you want. And of course I chose the most simple one, which was bubbles or circles. But also, depending on the word, you can do whatever patterns you want inside. So if you were writing the word flower, then maybe you can fill it with a bunch of floral patterns. But I just did this one just as an example. And once you've filled out the whole word with all of those patterns, you can erase the pencil lines, and I think it looks pretty cool in the end. I think it has a abstract look. Comment down below which one you like the most, and if you ever try this out, tell me how it goes. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really enjoyed filming this, and if you're new, make sure to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed. Bye!